Weird sounds fake but true facts: a cockroach can live a week without its head. Sharks existed before trees. Butterflies taste with their feet. Octopuses can open jars from the inside. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. Scotland has 421 words for snow. Wombat poop is shaped like tiny cubes. Humans are bioluminescent, but too dim to see. A shrimp's punch is as strong as a bullet. Flamingos bend their legs at the ankle, not the knee. Rats laugh when tickled. Want more insane facts? Hit subscribe and like for part 2.